So welcome in the welding workshop. Today we are going to perform the oxyacetylene gas cutting. For the cutting is the way of to separate the metal in two parts or more parts. Now we are going to use the oxyacetylene gas cutting. We have the equipment. The equipment we have the acetylene cylinder. We have the oxygen cylinder. We have the oxygen regulator, and also we have the acetylene regulator. We have the hose pipe. We have the oxygen hose pipe, which can used to carry the oxygen into the cutting torch. And also we have the acetylene hose pipe. And also we have the cutting torch. The cutting torch we use in the oxyacetylene gas cutting, it has the 3 control valves, 2 for oxygen and 1 for acetylene. For using this control valve, we open this, the first control valve of oxygen full off. We open full off. In order, when the oxygen we have in this hose pipe, it is the same which we have in this area. And this the second control valve we use to adjust the neutral frame, which we use to heating our metal. And this one is used to set the frame. Now we are going to set the working pressure. First of all, I have to open the acetylene cylinder and also open the oxygen cylinder, and then set the working pressure. After setting the working pressure, I come on my workpiece. As I have said that the cutting is the process of to remove the unwanted material. In order to get the wanted material, you have to measure your workpiece. I have the tape measure, I have the square, which can help us to make the straight line, and we have also the scribe. Now I'm going to cut the 30 centimeter. I mark the line, the straight line, by using the scribe. After marking my workpiece, I clamp this workpiece in this vise. Now I am going to set the frame. As I have said that, during the cutting process, we use the neutral frame for heating our metal. So by cutting, I starting by heating our metal. After heating, I apply the pure oxygen, which has the pressure for making the oxidation. After finishing the cutting, I switch off my frame. By switch off the frame, I starting on acetylene control valve. After close the acetylene control valve, I close the oxygen control valve and also this control valve. After closing this control valve, we go on the cylinder, and then I close the oxygen cylinder and the acetylene cylinder. After closing the cylinder, I came on this cutting torch, and then I release the oxygen and the acetylene gases which is in this hose pipe. And also I release the acetylene gas which is in hose pipe. So thank you for your presence.